My name is Pragnesh and I am here to represent today the syllabus from first year in Bsc IT, Mumbai University. This is a new academic year starting from 2020, that is 2020 in the month of August. Second merit list is out, could be in the very few days, third merit list. Those students who got an admission in your preferred college, many congratulations. And those who have not received an admission yet, don't worry. There are enough seats available. Don't get panic. Don't take a short-term decisions. Wait till the end. My advice is wait till the end. There are many colleges in Mumbai University, not popular, but then they have a seats available. And I personally believe rather than doing BCA course from the private or deemed university or doing a BSc in IT in Mumbai University is much better. So wait for that. In case you have any confusion regarding not received the admission, you can definitely contact me. In the description we will provide you the contact details, and I would definitely love to help you in any case if you require. Okay. By profession, I am an educator, professor, and I love programming languages. So that's my passion. I teach programming languages, and here today I am representing your first year BSc IT syllabus. So let's go through that. What exactly is the syllabus under Mumbai University, right? That's called University of Mumbai. So here are the semester 1 subjects. So you have got semester 1 5 subjects. So we have given some short form, short code that is called imperative programming, then it's IP. Star specifies that that subject is where you need to have a programming skills. So you got 5 subjects: IP, discrete mathematics, OS is called operating system, digital electronics, and communication skill. So today, rather than going in detail, I would like to go just an overview about the subject. So here is the syllabus for IP, that's called imperative programming. In industry, people call as a C programming. Very simple. So do not tell anyone that, if someone is asking which programming language you are learning in this subject in this semester. So just say C programming. Don't say IP, because this is the subject name given by Mumbai University, right? So it's a foundation, the first step to learn programming language. If someone wants to explain you for loop, array, pointer, this is the programming language where you will learn, right? So no one will teach in Java, in .NET, that let's learn for loop, So this is the responsibility of this subject called IP. So here I got 5 units. There are a few reference books given here for your, reference, so that you can purchase any one of that. Then the next subject is called discrete mathematics. It's one type of maths. Those students who don't like maths, but then this is the one you have to face it. Maths is a part of your engineering and IT, everyone. Believe me, this is the data science one subject. This is upcoming field and existing very promising career right now, requires a foundation of mathematics. So whether you love or no, you have to learn. So let's learn it, right? So these are the mathematics ka 5 units. Again, there is a subjects and there's some syllabus and then some book, discrete mathematics, right? Som series is very popular book that you can purchase that. Then you have got operating system. This is called core subject. Engineering में भी ये रहता है, BSc in IT में भी रखा है, computer science में भी है. So how operating system works, memory block, RAM, ROM, disk, then input, output, everything, and little bit of Linux. Little bit of Linux. That there is a Linux. Can you see here? Little bit of Linux introduction to. So very popular book called Tenenbaum and William Stallings. These are the books. If you don't want to purchase the book, then you can get lots of materials online also, right? The third subject is called digital electronics. This is an electronics based subject. I would like to give one complete message and very straightforward message for the commerce students you need extra practice for the subject. This is little bit physics based, so you have to learn a little. Logical circuits hai, right? Boolean algebra, logical gates. This is something 11 12 में किसी किसी ने थोड़ा बहुत किया है. So here it is in detail, and it's easy, but you have to learn with extra care for the commerce students, right? This is again the 5 units and the different subjects. So Palan hai, Plate hai, Jain hai, RP Jain hai. These are the common books which is given in this. So I never say here the local publisher's book. Okay, of course that could be good one. I am not saying that. Okay, but then whenever it reference subjects comes, reference author ka book comes, it should be available in all over India. So I'm not saying that one or two. This is the common book available throughout the India and even abroad. And the next subject is communication skill, everyone. Very powerful subject. The importance of communication skill you will understand as you will become a graduate and come into the professional fields, right? So 7 C's of effective communications, then developing the oral communication, very powerful. जिसको आप English speaking बोलते हो, that's not actually English speaking, right? It's a communication skills they are basically explaining. So if you learn it with the detail, then definitely it helps you to be in a graduation program, right? And then these are the same two subjects which, right now when the admission process going on, we are not interested what happens in semester 2. This is my step when the semester 1 completes. So I will give these subjects all informations in the month of semester 1 gets complete in this academic year. Let's say it's late, so maybe December. I'll upload another video for semester 2 subjects in detail. Yeah, that's it, everyone. Thank you very much, Pioneer, to give me an opportunity. If you want to contact me, you can reachable by pragnesh at YouTube. You can search Pioneer also. You can contact me. I'll give the all details regarding anything you would like to ask for BSc in IT or computer science. It will be definitely my privilege, our privilege to help. So, yeah, thank you.